I'll take the cue from you, HD. The blistering innings from them of 256 runs.
To start again. Well, isn't that the beauty of cricket? You walk in, you get a blister. Got him! They strike early, and it's Shoriful Islam.
Get him out in Bangladesh. Shoriful once again get Ibrahim Zadran out edge to the keeper. That's good bowling. That's the breakthrough Bangladesh wanted. And you tell with the discipline they have bowled so far, they deserve the wicket. Ibrahim Zadran, the centurion, departs after only making one run. Afghanistan are 3 for 1. Batsmen.
Out, didn't last long. Shoriful Islam has a second. And Afghanistan are in waters they haven't been in for a while.
And that too taking the wicket of the Afghanistan's Mr. Dependable Rahmat Shah, who was in no position whatsoever at all. And he must be. Rahmat Shah departs without scoring. Afghanistan are in all trouble. 3 for 2.
This deviation down the leg side. No, he's given him. I thought maybe that little bit of an angle. A review here, and they've gone for it.
Okay, just rock that back, roll it through. Okay, flat line all the way through to the pad. No batting. Pitching outside off, impact in line. Wickets hitting. We go back to Mukul on field to stay with his original decision of out.
What a good decision by Masudur Rahman Mukul. We can see the leg stump and the massive wicket of Mohammad Nabi. He goes for 1. Oh, he's swivel around. There's a fielder coming around, and he's got him. That is the temptation for Abdur Rahman from Shoriful.
I was talking about the same thing, that he has the tendency of trying to go and hit fancy shots, and when he does off the short ball, tries to hit it high for a maximum, ends up only sending it to Shoriful Islam, who completes a good catch. Will bring down to his name that he so far has taken 4 wickets. Afghanistan are 68 for 7.